Welcome to the channel. Please subscribe if you are not done before. I'll be sharing very useful information for construction tips and house plans, interior designs, elevation designs, other tips. Don't miss to subscribe and click. Don't miss to click on the bell icon. In this video, we are going to see house plan for 37 class 40. So within that, first outer line, we just took here 2 feet and back side 2 feet and other side north side 2 feet. It's a east facing plan, east facing plat you can consider. So this is 3 feet left here, and car parking, so it's a square shape, so we planned it's a 14 cross around 15. The same way hall we plan such a way that it's a square box, so it will look like a awesome look to see. So 15 cross 16, and backside is we thought of bringing some more air and sunlight, so using garden area. So there is a small western toilet over here with just a toilet alone, so that is the guest can use it. And garden area, so 17 cross 13 area, so it gives good space where you can use it for sit out and garden also. And so there is a bedroom with moderate space at around 11.5 to 11, and bath and toilet separately kept. It's a good space actually both having. And the steps over here, so, steps is a three climbing to climb old people and kids. We kept two landing spaces, so that and so we kept in mind that all vastu were right side climbing and the dining area. So it gives it's not a big area, so but it gives 4 to 6 people can eat at a time. And the kitchen, coming to the kitchen, so 13 cross 10 area, so good space is one, and storeroom and puja room is coming here. I think so overall it's a fantastic plan with satisfying all vastus. And first floor, coming to the first floor, 2 bedrooms planned, so not two, 3 bedrooms, so I can say. So one is master bedroom, 11 cross 16, and another one is a 10 cross 15. And it's a big toilet with 6 cross 11 feet and cupboard coming here. And same way, so it's a lengthy one, toilet planning here. So open balcony, you can use it. And there's a study room, or you can use it for bedroom purposes. This is a small one, so 9 class 11, so we can use it for study. That's a good one. So overall it came with a good package of the open space garden area in the ground floor, along with the sit out, and good space in front of the house, and good parking master bedroom, and space and good space in kitchen area, and separate room for store, puja and store, and separate uh, room for toilet and bathroom, and as well as a guest bathroom and downside. I think so overall came the plan is come with a very. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share it with your friends, may be useful for some other people also. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.